Hi, it's Helen Godden here. Why don't you join Alice and I as we tumble down that rabbit hole to Wonderland. Join me for my 2019 Block of the Month called Curiouser and Curiouser, based on the classic tale of Alice in Wonderland. Over 10 months we'll complete 9 blocks of various sizes up to 18 inches via instructional painting and quilting videos. I will hold your hand every step of the way while we paint and quilt this 50-inch project from first brushstrokes to binding. You will learn how to use fabric paint, brush techniques, blending and mixing of colours, and an insight into my design process. You'll also learn over 30 different quilting styles, which you can watch over and over and over again. You can access the content via a supportive private Facebook group where you can work amongst new friends from all over the world. For a once-only joining fee, you'll have unlimited access to the content, so join me this year and build your creative confidence one block at a time. Are you curious? Click the link below for more details. Education and inspiration from HelenGodden.com.